Credit Repair Cloud Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. If you're interested in Credit Repair Cloud, links to official resources, pricing details, and setup guides have been added to the description so you can review features and subscription options before getting started. Credit Repair Cloud is a credit repair software platform designed primarily for entrepreneurs, credit repair specialists, and small businesses that want to build or manage a credit repair company. It is not just a consumer tool, but a full business management system that helps users dispute credit report errors, automate client workflows, and manage credit repair operations at scale. It is especially relevant for professionals who want to offer credit repair services to clients rather than individuals looking to fix their own credit directly. One of Credit Repair Cloud's key features is its dispute management system, which allows users to create, track, and manage credit bureau disputes efficiently. The platform includes tools for generating dispute letters, organizing client information, and monitoring progress with credit bureaus. Another important feature is its client management dashboard, which helps credit repair businesses track multiple clients, their credit reports, and ongoing disputes in one centralized system. Credit Repair Cloud also offers automation features, including workflow automation, task reminders, and integration with credit monitoring tools. Additionally, it provides educational resources and training programs to help users understand credit repair laws, compliance requirements, and business development strategies. The software also supports integration with third-party tools, making it easier to scale operations and manage a growing client base. In terms of strengths, Credit Repair Cloud stands out as one of the most comprehensive platforms for building and managing a credit repair business. It simplifies complex workflows and reduces manual effort through automation, making it easier to handle multiple clients efficiently. The platform is highly structured, offering templates, dispute tools, and step-by-step systems that are especially valuable for beginners entering the credit repair industry. It also provides strong educational support, which helps users stay compliant with credit repair regulations. The ability to scale from a small operation to a larger business is another major advantage. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. Credit Repair Cloud is not designed for individuals who only want to repair their own credit, which limits its direct consumer use. The platform can also feel complex for complete beginners due to its business-focused structure and range of tools. Subscription costs may be relatively high for users who are just starting out or testing the credit repair business model. Additionally, success depends heavily on the user's understanding of credit laws and proper business execution, as the software itself does not guarantee results. Overall, Credit Repair Cloud is best suited for entrepreneurs and professionals who want to build or scale a credit repair business with structured tools and automation. If your goal is to operate in the credit repair industry and manage clients efficiently, Credit Repair Cloud is one of the most powerful platforms available today.